Welcome back to another battery installation. This is E-Row Battery, and today we are installing a battery on this 2019 Volvo XC90. The battery is in the back of the trunk. We're going to begin by removing these bolts or this divider. There's a couple of bolts holding this divider in place. Once we remove all the bolts, now you can take away this divider. Now you will have more clearance to work on the battery. Let's disconnect the battery by removing the negative terminal. Now let's disconnect the positive terminal. We are using a 10mm to disconnect both terminals. This positive fuel box is connected on the side of the battery. We're just going to lift it up and disconnect this red wire so you can move it out of your way. Let's remove the battery hold down. Once we remove the bolt from the battery hold down, we're going to retrieve the bolt and the hold down. Now the battery is loose, but before removing the battery, we're going to take away the bent hose. Once we get the battery free and everything is disconnected from the battery, let's take it out. You're going to have to use two hands to move this battery out of the way. It's really heavy. Just keep on working it out and being careful that you don't get any of the wires tangled up. The battery we took out was a 94R AGM, and we're going to replace it with the same spec, a 94R AGM. Let's place back the new battery the same way we pull out the old one. Just move all the wires out of the way. Like I said before, be careful that you don't cut none of these wires. On this side of the battery, we have a plug. We're going to put the plug in and drive it in with a flathead screwdriver. Once it goes all the way in, we can move to the other side. On the right side of the battery, we have the bent hose. This is where the battery breathes. So when the battery is going bad, it's going to smell like rotten egg. That's the smell of sulfur. If this bent hose is not plugged in, the cabin or the inside of your car are always going to smell like rotten egg when the battery is about to go around 3 years. Now we can put back the positive terminal. Just keep pushing it down all the way onto the battery. Eventually you're going to hear a lock. Once we get it locked, then we can put back these red wires. Now that everything is connected on this positive terminal, let's tighten the 10mm bolt. Let's install the battery hold down before we connect the negative terminal. Once we get it in place, the bolt and the hold down, we're just going to tighten it down. We are almost done connecting the battery. This is the last step. It's time to connect the negative terminal, and we are using a 10mm socket to tighten this 10mm nut. Let's put back this plastic divider. This one has 3 bolts that's holding it together. Now that everything is back in place, we can put back all the cover here in the trunk, the sidewall panel, and then the bottom panel that go on top of the spare tire. Thank you for your view. We truly appreciate it. If you have any comment or any question, I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge and as quick as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.